Hi friends, how are you? Our next step is I will show you how to apply concealer. Concealer is very important because of our eye positions like panda's eyes. So we have to apply it on the brush a little bit, proper amount on the brush, and then just tap it, tap like this. Use the concealer properly so that it is in alignment with the eye lines which are formed like this. So use it. Okay, and then on the other side also tap. As I have already told you that concealer is very important for all of us. We can apply it fast, and you might have noticed. So as I said, you might have noticed there are some black lines over here. So it has to be applied correctly, and smile while applying it so that it covers the area properly. Concealer over here too. Apply it near the lip area, near the chin area also. You can see the area near here is dark, so apply it. Okay. So I will apply it with my hand to make it faster because it will be very useful. It can remove panda eyes also, so I will apply it. So as I told you earlier, the area around the eyes is very dark in color, so it is important to apply. So there are dark areas near the lip also, so it is important to apply concealer properly so that your smile looks really very good. Okay. Applying the concealer here helps in minimizing the lines around the lip area. Again, tap it properly over here so that there are no residues. And now it is the turn of the forehead. Near the eyebrows so that it looks more natural. We should apply it boldly on both the sides of the eyes. Okay. So now we have to apply the concealer around the nose area so that the nose looks higher around the lines. The result is not too much. For those who have a flat nose, you might want to form the concealer up like this. Okay. The nose should look a little more prominent because we have small noses. So you want to form the concealer like this in downward motion like I'm doing right here. Make sure that you use a darker tone of the concealer so that the nose looks sharper and not too big. Okay, so now I think I have applied everything properly, but there are some minor adjustments that I have to make to the face so that my face looks more beautiful. I think I will be using my hands for the concealer, which is better. You can also use a brush or you can also use a sponge for the same thing and apply it near your eyes also. Then we can also discover other types of brushes or sponges according to your preference, or maybe you can also use liquid concealer and utilize other kind of tools which make good for the panda eyes and also for the smile like I'm smiling right here. Or maybe you can also give us some recommendation on how to use stick, liquid, solid forms. It's all there over here that we have. Just apply it lightly on the top of the eyes. The concealer is important and it comes in various forms. Okay. So as I have told you in this session that there are different types of concealers that we can use for the makeup, different types of concealers or products. So today we learned that we can use sponge, we can use brushes, we can use any kind of makeup tools. So it was a great session, and like I told you, you have to be very careful while using the concealer because it has to be used in a proper way in the proper area of the face, otherwise, it can turn into a bad experience and it will not spread properly. Okay, so now that we have applied the concealer properly, we can look good and go out to a party. But for the party, you should use a different type of concealer which is appropriate for the party. You can use a stick or you can also use a shiny concealer so that it looks glowy, and tap it properly. Remember to tap it around the eye area because it is important that when you are going to a party, the concealer should cover all the dark areas so that there are no flaws that are seen, because in the party everyone is going to look at you, right? Yeah, so all the best and hope you like the session.